Hello, hi, dear students. This is Guru Prasad S, HOD of Mathematics, Sri Saptagiri University College, Tumkur. Today, I am going to explain some very important concept of trigonometry using some magic or nothing but logic. As you know that so many students are failed to understand some standard results, standard identity of trigonometry. Right? Now let us know how to remember by using a simple shortcut and some magic. Right? So now let us know that the first one is, as you know that we have the six trigonometric function, right? Six trigonometric functions. Okay, functions are nothing but we call it as ratios. Now, to remember this six trigonometric function, I can write a simple word here. You have to remember that. The word is Vosha. Vosha. Chota. Recall it. The simple word is Vosha Chota. Now what to do, sir? Now just divide into three segments. Vosha. Just have a look on this. Have a look on this. Now the word O stand for opposite, H stand for hypotenuse, A stand for adjacent. Now we can write six trigonometric function. Let us know that the first one is sine theta. As you know that, nodi hage, by using this word Vosha Chota, opposite divided by hypotenuse is sine theta. Therefore sine theta can be written as opposite divided by hypotenuse. Very simple. The next one is ACH. C stand for cos. Therefore cos theta can be written as, how can you write? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Got my point? And the next OTA. T stand for tan theta. How can you say that? Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Dear student, it is very simple. The word Vosha Chota. Opposite by hypotenuse is sin theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta. Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. And what about other three? Other three are the just reciprocal of this, right? So sin theta reciprocal is cosecant theta. Just reciprocal it. What happens here? Hypotenuse divided by opposite. Alright. The next one is the reciprocal of cos theta is what? Secant theta. Secant theta can be written as hypotenuse divided by what? Adjacent. And the next tan theta reciprocal is what? Cot theta. This can be written as adjacent divided by opposite. So now by using this single word we can remember all the six trigonometric functions, right? Now I am going to explain a very important thing which understands the basic identities and some of the formula related with this. That is called as hexagon magic. What we call it as hexagon magic. It is very simple, very funny. Very simple and very funny. Okay, now have a look on this. It is very easy to understand and remember all the identities related with trigonometry. Now I am going to write something here. What is that, sir? So I am going to write just have a look on this. This is an hexagon. Just I am going to draw opposite lines here. Just have a look on this. I can just draw the opposite. Okay, now what to do, sir, here? First you have to write down sin theta here. Order ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಣ. Just have a look on this, ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Sin theta. Here I can write cos theta. You can write cot theta. You can write cosecant theta. You can write secant theta. You have to write tan theta here. It is, we call it as hexagon magic to understand the trigonometric identities and some of the formulae. How, sir? Just move like this. Ready? Gamna kodi careful agi. So move like this. I can write that. The first thing is tan theta is given by sin theta divided by cos theta. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. tan theta ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Next is what? Sin theta is given by cos theta divided by cot theta. Divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So ನೋಡಿ, once again, tan theta, how can you write tan theta? So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Secondly, how to write sin theta? Next move ಮಾಡಿ. Cos theta divided by cot theta. Sin theta can be taken as, what is that? Cos theta divided by cot theta. The next I want, what that? Cot theta, cos theta. Cos theta can be written as what? Cos theta can be written as, again, cos theta can be written as cot by cosecant. Cot theta divided by what? Cosecant theta. The next one is cot theta. I can write simple cot theta. Cot theta can be written as cosecant theta divided by secant theta. Cosecant theta divided by secant theta. The next is what? Cosecant theta. How can you write cosecant theta? Cosecant theta can be written as secant theta by tan theta. Cosecant theta can be written as what? Secant theta divided by what? Tan theta. And one more, the last one is tan theta. The tan theta can be written as secant theta. That secant theta can be written as tan theta divided by sin theta. So this is very simple. Once again look here. Tan theta is equal to sin by cos. Sin theta is equal to cos by cot. Cos theta is equal to cot by cosecant. Cot theta is equal to cosecant by secant. Cosecant is equal to secant by tan. And secant is equal to tan by sin. This is one way. The second very important thing is you have to write 1 here. 1. You have to write 1. Now I am going to explain reciprocal property. Reciprocal. How can you say that? Just have a look on that. Sin theta, ನೋಡಿ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ, ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನೀವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್. Sin theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta. Cos theta can be written as 1 by secant theta. Cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Diagonal ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿ. The first will start with sin theta. Sin theta can be written as 1 divided by cosecant theta. The next is what? Cos theta. How can you write cos theta? Cos theta is equal to 1 by what? 1 by secant theta. And again cot theta, just look at the diagonal. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. The next one is what? Cosecant theta. How can you remember this? Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Secant theta I can write. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. And one more thing is what? Tan theta. That can be written as 1 divided by what? Cot theta. So this is an hexagon magic. Just have a look on here once again. Tan theta is equal to sin by cos. Sin theta is equal to cos by cot. Cos theta is equal to cot by cosecant. Cot is cosecant by secant. Cosecant is secant by tan. Secant is tan by sin. And now look at the reciprocal. Reciprocal is nothing but 1 by. Have a look on this. Sin is 1 by cosecant. Cos is 1 by secant. Cot is 1 by tan. Cosecant is 1 by sin. Secant is 1 by cosecant. And tan is 1 by cot. This is what. Now, have a look on this. By using this, we can easily rectify co-ratios. I can write the co-ratios. Before going to write the co-ratio, just I can recall here tan theta we have. I am going to explain a basic identity here. Very simple. Very simple. How can you explain, sir? Just have a look on this. Have a look on this. Just have a look on this. Next I am going to write. Next I am going to write. Just what happens here. Just recall this. Basic identity. A basic identity is always associated with square of the term, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, what you will get? 1. Just have a look on this. Sin square theta, hige hogana vapasu. Hige hogana. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. The first basic identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next basic identity, gamana kodi carefully. Tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. Just have a look on this. Tan square theta plus 1 square. Nothing but 1 plus tan square theta is 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Next third one, 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Very simple. Note again once again. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Next is tan square theta plus 1 or 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. And next 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. ನೀವು ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. You can. Next is 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? This is very important. ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? 1 minus sin square is cos square. 1 minus cos square is sin square. I can write 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. And again 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. And again by using this reverse ಆಗೋಣ. secant square theta minus tan square. reverse ಆಗೋದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. secant square theta minus tan square theta, that will be equal to 1. Right? The next cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is a way how hexagon magic simplify to remember the basic identities of trigonometry. Now let us know some very important for this. Have a look on this. The next is co-ratio concept. Co-ratio. ನೋಡಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ cos cot co they are started from co we call it as core ratios ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಸರ್ core ratios ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ core ratios ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು core ratios sin theta just have a look on this sin theta core ratio with cos theta, tan theta core ratio with cot theta, secant theta core ratio with cosecant theta. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we can write sin theta in terms of cos in terms of sin. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಪೇರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು sin and cos, tan and cot, secant and cosecant. how can you write ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾಗೆ ಕೋರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾಗೆ ಕೋರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ as cos of instead of theta I can write 90 minus theta. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cos theta ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು sin of 90 minus theta. cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಕೋರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 90 minus theta ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಲುಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. tan theta can be written as cot of. tan theta can be written as cot of 90 minus theta. Similarly, cot theta can be written as what? Cot theta can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. And again similarly secant theta can be written as cosecant of 90 minus theta, and cosecant theta is equal to secant of 90 minus theta. Now very good students, now I hope you all understand and enjoy this hexagon magic to understand some of the important results of trigonometry, right? Have a fun. Thank you.